Hey guys, it's Emily here down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig-ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. This is a 2018 Ram 1500 Laramie, so let's go take a peek. Up at the front of this one, you do have your chrome grille. It's gonna have your chrome Ram logo on it, and then you're also gonna have chrome bumpers. Along the bottom of your bumpers, you're gonna have your two black tow hooks. This one has your halogen headlights and fog lights. And then if we come underneath the hood, you're gonna have your 5.7 liter HEMI. Up at the front of this one, you're gonna have your 20-inch chrome wheels. Chrome mirrors on this one, and they are heated. They're gonna be power folding as well. And then you're gonna have your chrome door handles. They do have your proximity entry on them. Your wheel-to-wheel running boards on this one. It is your 5.7 bed. Then you're gonna have the chrome bumpers on the back. They do have your built-in park sensors, dual exhaust. You're set up for towing with your 4 and 7 pin wiring and your hitch receiver. Some more chrome badging all along the back here. Your backup camera on this one. You're gonna have a spray and bed liner as well as some LED bed lighting. You're also gonna have a tonneau cover on this one, but now we're gonna take a look in the front. Up at the front of this one, you're gonna have your black Laramie seats. They are heated and cooled. You're also gonna have a heated leather wrapped steering wheel on this one. Lots of storage. You have 2 center consoles. The top of your center console does have an aux cord plug-in. It's also got 2 USBs. You have an additional storage area right here, and then you're also gonna have a holder for your phone, as well as a 12-volt plug-in and 2 cup holders. Some more storage up here in your 2 glove compartments. And then this one does come equipped with your 8.4-inch touchscreen. It has your navigation. You have the option to hook up your phone for Bluetooth. In your controls, you can control the heated seats, the cooled seats, and the heated steering wheel. You also can dim your rear view mirror at night, and then you have access to your backup camera as well. You can control all of your climate, and this one does have your dual climate controls, and then you're obviously going to have your radio stations and then all of your media. You can turn off the screen if it's bugging you at night, shining really bright in your face, and then you're going to have all of the controls for your climate down here again if you're not wanting to use your touch screen. Coming down a little bit lower, you have the option to turn off your traction control. This one has tow haul mode built right in, and then you can turn off those rear park sensors if you're getting on your nerves. All the buttons for your heated, cooled seats and heated steering wheel. All your 4-wheel drive buttons are right here, and then this one does have your knob shift. On the steering wheel itself, you're gonna have all of your hands-free buttons and your cruise control buttons, and then on the back side, you're gonna have buttons to turn up and down the radio station, change the music, skip the song. This one has a trailer brake control right down here on the left-hand side by where your knee would be. Power folding mirrors on this one, so you'll push a button and they are going to flip in and out. All of your headlight controls are right down here by your vent. Alpine sound system on this one. You're gonna have that dimming rear view mirror we talked about, and then you're also gonna have your universal garage door openers. So you can program these into 3 different garage doors. Then you're not gonna have to carry around a remote. It's gonna save you tons of clutter up here. Power sliding rear window on this one. And then all of the controls for your sunroof, which does have a shade. But now we're gonna finish up in the back. In the back of this one, you do have heated rear seats. The buttons for those are right here, and you can turn them on to either low or high. You're also gonna have a 12-volt plug-in for your passengers, long road trips. They can plug in their devices, and then they can control their own airflow as well. 2 cup holders down here in the middle, and then 2 more cup holders in your armrest that folds down. Lots of storage in both of your seat pockets, and then you do have your power locks, power windows, and some more storage in your door. Underneath your carpet floor mats, you do have some in-floor storage bins. They're pretty good for keeping those adult soda pops cold. Lifting up the seats, lots of storage on this side, and then you are going to have a sub on that side. These pieces flip out, and they do have plastic legs to make them a little bit more stable. Great for groceries or any sports equipment. If you want to make this Ram yours, you can click the link below for pictures and pricing, or you can give us a call, 780-942-3629.